The Ortur Laser Master 2 Pro S2 is equipped with a powerful 10,000 milliwatt laser module that efficiently cuts through thick materials like 30mm acrylic and 20mm wood. With a laser module featuring a compressed point of 0.05mm by 0.1mm, this engraver offers high precision and can achieve a remarkable engraving speed of 15,000 millimeters per minute. The engraver's industrial-grade full metal structure, coupled with a modular design, ensures ease of assembly, repair, and upgrades, making setup possible in as little as 10 to 15 minutes. For enhanced safety, the Ortur Laser Master 2 Pro S2 includes multiple safety features, such as active position protection, an emergency stop switch, and flame alarms, providing a secure environment for all your projects. This laser engraver is widely compatible with various engraving software and supports multiple operating systems, offering flexibility and ease of use for both beginner and professional users. Additionally, the engraver is designed with an eye protection cover that filters out 98% of ultraviolet light, ensuring your eyes are safeguarded during operation.